Nervous system. The complex control center. The brain is the most complex organ, weighing approximately 1.4 kilograms in adults. It contains 86 billion neurons, each connecting to thousands of other cells, transmitting millions of signals per second. The spinal cord is an extension of the brain, about 45 centimeters long in men and 43 centimeters in women, and it transmits nerve signals between the brain and the body. The brain consumes 20% of the body's oxygen and energy. Nerve impulses travel at speeds of up to 430 kilometers per hour, faster than most supercars. Cardiovascular system. The engine of life. The heart beats approximately 100,000 times a day, pumping 7,500 liters of blood throughout the body. The heart is about the size of a fist, yet it is one of the most powerful muscles, working continuously throughout life. A complete blood circulation cycle takes about 60 seconds. Blood vessels stretch over 100,000 kilometers, which is enough to circle the Earth 2.5 times. The aorta is the largest artery in the body, about 3 centimeters in diameter, while the smallest capillaries are finer than a human hair. Respiratory system. The breath of life. The lungs hold about 6 liters of air, and an average adult breathes approximately 20,000 times per day. Each lung contains about 300 million alveoli, responsible for gas exchange. If spread out, the alveoli would cover an area equivalent to a tennis court. The trachea is about 12 centimeters long and branches into the bronchi, leading to the lungs. On average, humans can hold their breath for 3 to 4 minutes, while trained divers can exceed 10 minutes. Circulatory system. The river of life. The human body contains 5 to 6 liters of blood. Red blood cells complete a circulation cycle in about 20 seconds. Bone marrow produces approximately 2 million red blood cells every second. Red blood cells live for 120 days, while white blood cells live for a few hours to a few days. Human blood is red due to hemoglobin, which carries oxygen throughout the body. Skeletal system. The body's framework. The adult human skeleton consists of 206 bones, but infants are born with about 300 bones that fuse over time. The femur is the strongest bone, while the stapes in the middle ear is the smallest at 2.5 millimeters. The skeleton accounts for about 14% of body weight. The spinal column is composed of 33 vertebrae and helps absorb shocks. The skull consists of 22 bones that protect the brain and sensory organs. Muscular system. The power of movement. The human body has over 600 muscles, making up about 40% of body weight. The masseter muscle, jaw muscle, is the strongest by weight, exerting up to 90 kilograms of force. The heart is the only muscle that never stops working. The sartorius muscle in the thigh is the longest muscle. Smiling uses 17 muscles, while frowning requires 43 muscles. Visual system. Your window to the world. The human eye can distinguish 10 million different colors. The retina contains about 120 million rod cells for low-light vision and 6 million cone cells for color detection. Eye movements can reach speeds of 500 degrees per second. Surface eye cells regenerate every 48 hours, making them among the fastest regenerating cells in the body. Each eye weighs approximately 7.5 grams. Digestive system. The body's fuel processor. The tongue has 10,000 taste buds that renew every 10 days. The digestive tract is approximately 9 meters long. The stomach produces about 3 liters of acid daily to digest food. The small intestine is the longest part, measuring 6 meters. The liver performs over 500 essential functions, including detoxification and protein production. Reproductive system. The source of life. The testes produce about 1,500 sperm cells per second. The ovaries release 1 egg each month from puberty until menopause. During pregnancy, the uterus expands up to 20 times its normal size. Sperm cells travel through the vas deferens at 5 millimeters per minute. If stretched out, the DNA in a single human cell would measure 2 meters long. Fascinating facts about the human body. The human body produces 300 million new cells every minute. Fingerprints are entirely unique, even in identical twins. Skin is the largest organ, covering approximately 2 square meters. Kidneys filter 50 liters of blood every hour. The human body contains enough carbon to produce 900 pencils.
The skin is the largest organ of the human body, covering about 2 square meters and accounting for 15% of total body weight. The skin sheds 30,000 to 40,000 dead cells every minute. It consists of 3 layers. Epidermis, the outer protective layer. Dermis, the middle layer containing blood vessels and sweat glands. Hypodermis, the fatty layer that insulates and protects the body. The leg and foot contain more than 50 bones, which make up about 1/4 of the entire skeleton. The human foot is designed to bear weight and absorb shock, handling up to 3 to 4 times your body weight during running. There are about 250,000 sweat glands in the feet, capable of producing 500 milliliters of sweat daily. The leg contains the strongest muscle in the body, the gastrocnemius, which helps in standing, walking, and running. The tibialis anterior muscle is responsible for lifting the foot while walking and preventing tripping. There are over 10 major muscles in the leg that work together to provide stability and power. Cells are the fundamental building blocks of life, making up every part of the human body. Each cell contains a nucleus, cytoplasm, and a protective cell membrane. Key organelles include mitochondria, known as the cell's powerhouse, which produce energy, and ribosomes, which synthesize essential proteins. The human body consists of approximately 37.2 trillion cells, each specialized for different functions. Some cells, like skin cells, regenerate every few days, while others, such as neurons, can last a lifetime. This incredible diversity enables complex processes, from oxygen transport and immune defense to nerve signal transmission, making our bodies dynamic and resilient. The skin is the first line of defense against bacteria and viruses, and it helps regulate body temperature and remove toxins through sweat. Fingerprints are unique to each person and do not even match identical twins. The skin contains 17 kilometers of tiny blood vessels, which nourish the skin and help cool the body. When exposed to sunlight, the skin produces vitamin D, essential for bone health and the immune system. Skin color is determined by the amount of melanin. The more melanin, the darker the skin. The human leg is designed to carry twice the body's weight when standing and 4 times when running. The foot consists of 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 tendons, giving it flexibility and stability. The natural arch of the foot acts as a shock absorber, helping to distribute pressure during walking or running. Both feet contain approximately 8,000 nerve endings, making them one of the most sensitive areas of the body. The tibia, shin bone, is the second strongest bone in the body after the femur. The gastrocnemius muscle is not only the strongest, but also works with the soleus muscle to lift the body during walking and running. The quadriceps is the largest muscle group in the leg, responsible for knee extension and enabling jumping. Adductor muscles help move the leg inward and provide balance while walking. The tibialis anterior muscle prevents the foot from dropping while walking and stabilizes the ankle. When walking 1 kilometer, the leg muscles contract more than 1,000 times to propel the body forward. Every person walks the equivalent of 5 times around the earth in their lifetime. The skin completely regenerates itself every 28 days, meaning you get new skin each month. The foot can withstand pressure equal to twice your body weight while walking and 4 times while jumping. Foot sweat is odorless, but the smell comes from bacteria that feed on it. The human body contains about 37 trillion cells, each playing a vital role in sustaining life. The brain generates over 50,000 thoughts daily, serving as an endless center of creativity and cognition. The skin, the largest organ in the body, harbors approximately 17 kilometers of tiny blood vessels that nourish and cool it. A complete blood circulation cycle takes less than a minute, efficiently transporting oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. The heart beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping roughly 7,500 liters of blood. Fingerprints are completely unique to each individual, even among identical twins. Adults have 206 bones in their skeleton, while children are born with over 300 bones that fuse as they grow. The immune system comprises billions of specialized cells working in harmony to fend off diseases. The skin completely regenerates every 28 days, replacing damaged cells with new ones. The human eye contains over 120 million rod cells, enabling vision in low light conditions. The brain can store over 2.5 petabytes of information, equivalent to millions of hours of video. The digestive system houses more than 500 types of beneficial bacteria that aid in food digestion and vitamin production. The eye can distinguish up to 10 million different colors, offering a breathtaking diversity of vision. Red blood cells have a lifespan of about 120 days before they are replaced by new cells. The testes produce approximately 1,500 sperm per second, showcasing the body's efficiency in reproduction.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Check out our other videos for more fascinating facts and insights. Produced by Dr. Mohamed Elrahman. Your support helps us deliver better content. Thank you.